Among all the dazzling ornaments and decorations, nothing quite speaks you. You return to what you know best. Slippers on and up to your craft room. Lace, ribbon, twine and pearls, handmade ornaments full of character. The time goes so fast, it's hard to register. Come and see how to make these gorgeous rustic farmhouse ornaments that are made from cardboard. Hi everyone, so in my last video I made some cardboard ornaments and I asked you all to let me know if you'd like to see more, and everyone said yes. So today I'm back with some more cardboard ornaments. This time we're going to be making some trees. So I've drawn a tree here. It's 8 centimeters this way and 11.5 centimeters in height. So I'm going to be making 5 ornaments in total, and I'm going to replicate the same thing. So for these two trees are going to be a little bit different. We're creating a small bottom here, so it measures 2 centimeters and then 1.5 centimeters. So just draw this out for as many ornaments as you like, and then you're just going to cut it out. I'm taking a single hole punch and we're going to make a hole just at the top here so that we can hang it on our tree. We're going to thread the twine through and then cut it and hot glue it in place. Now we're going to use some hot glue and wrap our twine around the whole tree, but you don't have to use twine if you don't want to. You can use white yarn, for example. I'm just going to be using twine for all of them so that it's cohesive. So I only used hot glue at the top there, and then I just wrapped it round, and then we're going to apply some hot glue at the bottom just to secure it. Now that we've finished making our trees, we're going to go ahead and decorate them. So this is a really fun bit. So on this one, I'm just going to glue some of this lace with some pearls on. For this one, I'm going to be using a pearl garland and I'm going to stick it sideways. I'm going to be using this glitter star embellishment to act as the topper of the tree. So I'm just going to glue that, or you can just remove this and stick it down with the adhesive that's already there. For the next one, I'm going to be using some lace ribbon. Again, we're just going to hot glue it down. And now I'm going to add a bow just there with some hot glue, just a dot there. For the next one, I'm going to be using some gems that are self-adhesive. I'm also going to be using some embellishments for this one. Again, just the gems, and I'm sticking them down. So here are all 5 ornaments done and completed. I do love all of them, but I have to say that these 2 here are my favourite. Let me know which one is your favourite in the comments. And as always, if you have enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you let me know by leaving me a thumbs up and making sure you subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thank you so much for watching, take care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!